In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Involver's social catalog application. Let's start with a sample page we've set up to show off the functionality. As you can see, we've placed a custom header at the top of the page, and below, it's possible to browse our catalog using the pagination at the bottom of the page. Note that we've selected an item to feature at the top of the page that includes a larger image, a description, pricing information, and a button that drives the user to purchase. It's also possible to like the item, share it, and tweet about it. When you click on an item in the catalog, it brings up a detailed presentation with the same content as the featured product. That covers the basic functionality, so let's take a look at the settings experience to see how easy it is to set up the app and manage your products. In the settings area, the first thing you'll probably want to do is add an item to your catalog. This is also where you'll choose to feature items and where you'll archive older items. Click on the Add New Item button to manually add items one by one. This lets you enter information in each of the item fields and to upload your product images from your computer. It's also possible to show images that are hosted online by inputting their location URL. You can upload as many items as you'd like for display in the Detail Item view. Note that when adding images, the application allows you to crop the image to fit the display format you've selected. We'll discuss display format at the end of this video. Other item fields include adding a name and caption to each image that will be shown on mouse over. There are also fields for your item price and click-through URL for purchase. Once you've added your images, simply hit Save to confirm your changes. Let's jump back to the front of the app to see what the changes look like. Okay, that looks great. Let's jump back into the settings to explore some additional settings and how to import lots of items at once from a product feed. It's easy to edit items in the catalog simply by clicking the Edit button and updating all the item fields. It's also possible to archive a current item, which will take it out of the catalog but save it for later in case you want to use it again. To change the order in which items are displayed, simply drag and drop them into the position you'd like them to appear. To permanently remove an item, just click the X at the top right corner. One of the most powerful features of this app is the ability to import lots of items at once from a product feed. To do this, click the Import from Feed button, which will ask you to select the feed type you have and then to provide the feed URL. We support 3 types of feeds, including Google CSV, Google XML, and Shopping.com. Once the feed URL is submitted, the app will automatically pull in your items and preview them for you. Simply select the ones you'd like to import to add them. As before, they'll show up in your product lists, and you can order them as you see fit. Another powerful feature of this application is the ability to set the format of the display of your images in the catalog. We support 3 formats, including landscape, portrait, and square images. Note that if you change the format with items that are already in your catalog, it will automatically recrop them, so you'll want to edit the settings of each of these images to ensure that it's cropped appropriately. The remaining settings allow you to show and hide the price of the item, and select a theme color, and select a custom header image. That covers the settings associated with this application. Let's go back to the front end of the application to take a look at what it looks like with all of our settings in place. Everything looks great. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll give the application a try.